Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your OPPO A5x. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case, and I'll tell you why. Basically, the case can cover a little bit of the screen, like its parts, and it don't go to the bezel, it goes to the screen, and it can cause the fake touches, so a ghost touch. And the screen protector, if it's poorly applied, then basically here it will go out the screen, for example, and here you will have a dead spot, and basically that will be touching the screen and you will have the ghost touch problem. So now what you guys want to do is clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture. You guys can use a microfiber cloth to do that. Just give it a few good swipes, but don't go too hard on the device. Now after that, what you guys can do is basically update your software to fix any touch glitches. So go to settings. Now here we need to go over, this is the main page. We need to scroll all the way down until we see system and updates, and here go to software update. Now make sure that you're running the latest version of the software just like me. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and let me know in the comments if I fixed your ghost touch problem. So that'd be it. Thank you for watching. Bye.